SG Equipments and Machines Private Limited, a leading manufacturer, supplier and exporter of commercial kitchen equipment, has been setting trends in the food service equipment and technology industry with extensive expertise in the manufacturing of kitchen equipment with latest technologies. SG Equipments was founded in 1996 by Mr. G. Unnikrishnan Pillai, who has an experience of over 26 years as a key player in the food and hospitality industry. He has also been a recipient of several awards and is an industry expert. SG Equipments has completed over 10,000 projects worldwide in setting up kitchen for star hotels, fine dining establishments, industrial cafeterias, food factories, educational institutions, hospitals and cloud kitchens, encompassing design, manufacturing, installation, testing and commissioning of each project. Our key focus for nearly 3 decades has always been on manufacturing custom-made pure stainless steel solutions to suit each project, and SG Equipments is the most preferred choice among leading brands in the food and hospitality industry. SG Equipments is in collaboration with top international brands for the procurement and supply of imported equipment such as advanced commercial ovens, commercial food and beverage processing equipment, bakery machineries, blowers and commercial dishwashers. SG Equipments' primary plant is based in Bangalore within Asia's biggest industrial estates, and we also have manufacturing facilities in Kerala to serve varied client requirements. All our factories are equipped with high-tech and state-of-the-art equipment with a team of over 100 experienced employees. At SG Equipment, we also have an in-house professional team with a wide range of experience in consultation and custom design, whose primary goal is to make every chef's kitchen experience seamless, efficient, and largely satisfying. SG Equipments has a dedicated customer service team whose goal is to ensure customer satisfaction and provide prompt and efficient customer support. On-time customer service and maintenance is the key to our success at SG Equipments. SG Equipment's technical skills acquired over the years in the manufacturing and supply of commercial kitchen equipment and their fabrication and preservation is of immeasurable value to our customized product and services. SG Equipments has an extensive and experienced design team who designs kitchen layouts and equipment from scratch, all while catering to client specifications and making efficient, sustainable and detailed design of the projects undertaken. SG Equipment's manufacturing process is highly advanced, where every component is designed with precision and scope of error is entirely eliminated within the design stage. We use specialized 3D modeling software to develop new and custom-made products, thereby ensuring exclusivity in each project we undertake to ensure that the grade thickness and specifications are as per the client's prerequisites. SG Equipment's advanced state-of-the-art manufacturing facility equipped with fiber laser cutting technology and computer-controlled vending machines assures maximization of product quality and unparalleled perfection. Enhanced supervision by our well-experienced fabricators ensures perfect welding, finishing, strength and functionality, thereby guaranteeing that every equipment that goes out meets the industry norms and internationally accepted quality standards. SG Equipments manufactures standard customized refrigeration units which are entirely fabricated in food-grade stainless steel material and environmentally friendly refrigeration system. And every refrigerator passes through stringent testing and monitoring before delivery. SG Equipments has a line of custom-made burner ranges including ceramic, infrared, high-pressure and imported low-pressure burners and other such utility and energy-efficient options as per the requirement for each project. These burners are designed to work 24/7 without any hassle while being easy to handle and maintain. SG Equipments has developed an innovative range of bulk cooking equipment designed to operate with steam, gas and electricity, which can cook large quantities of food at once. SG Equipment's Quality Control Department ensures that the processing and procedures employed for each equipment is right at every step and that strict measures are taken to monitor each and every section of production and supply. Our equipments are crafted with unmatched quality, efficiency and skilled workmanship. SG Equipments guarantees enhanced durability, the highest quality standards with made-to-measure ergonomic designs, cutting-edge technologies and aesthetic coherence. SG Equipments and Machines Private Limited.